What's up YouTube? It's Hellcat J back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a fun little interior install on my Hellcat. Something simple, little mod for 15 bucks that you can buy on Amazon that'll really spice up the interior of your car. Today we're going to be doing L wire. So I chose red for the Hellcat, as you can see. I did white on my Charger to match the white interior, but yeah, so kind of going with this color theme here. So this one's a little bit different than the Charger in the sense that you actually have to pop up some dash trim. I'll lower the camera here. So this one, just like the other kit that I bought and showed you guys how to do on my Charger in the previous video, is a USB ballast. So it will connect to the USB. I plan to run it to the USB right here in my glove box. So I'm going to show you the pathway that I'm going to go. I'm going to start right here to the left of the steering wheel, come around all the way around to the other end, come around the side right here. Let me see if I can bring that around to show you. I'll come around the side right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to pop up this dash trim. I'm going to have to pop this up and go in, and what I'll do is, I guess what I'll do is I'll come around, start here, go all the way up around here, come back into here, where I can just loop into here and use my USB port. That's the goal. So yeah, it's a pretty easy process. All you really have to do is take the flat side, this right here, the flat side, and tuck it into the trim. Literally just stick your finger, thumb it in there, and it should stick in nice and easy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with that and show you guys how it turns out, and then I'll come and show you guys at night. Okay guys, so really the hardest part of this, so let's recap. I went around the top, around here to this little side portion right here, down this trim, and then so what I had to do was I just grabbed here, I popped up the trim right here, and then there's clips on this, and then there's also clips down here that pop in right there too. So what I did is I snaked a wire hanger. I just kind of tied the piece with it right there, and right about here where you see it enter, directly below this little net line, there's like a metal piece right here, but there's a little hole about yay big right there where you can kind of snake it in. And then what I did was hook the hanger up like so, and then what I did was I took like a wrench, like a long lockable wrench, and I just went in there and locked it and pulled it out. So that was really the hardest part. So yeah, I'll continue the install and show you how it goes. Okay, YouTube, so I had to think of a creative solution. I think I might wind up hardwiring it later, but for now, this will do. So once again, let me show you the track I went. I started here. As you can see, it's lit up. It's kind of sunset right now, so you can really start seeing the glow. Really nice. Came around here on the top. Sometimes you gotta tuck it back in, just make it look nice and tight. Around here, down the side, down the wheel well right here, into the trim, through here. And then what I did is I started right here in the corner. I went all the way around like so, all the way around. And then I had a lot of extra cord because I went with 15 feet. So I did something a little different that I haven't seen anyone else on YouTube do, because it's just a USB plug-in setup, so I'm not really cared about like super perfection. I'm not really going to be looking down here anyway, but what I did was I kind of snaked it around this trim right here and just have it close right around here. But at the same time, it kind of added a cool little effect of the trim right here. I gave it a little bit of like an underglow right here, which it's not the cleanest right here, but I'm not really going to be looking there. I'm going to be looking more like this. But yeah, I really like it. Take a look. What do you guys think? I think I want to do the hardwire kit in the future. I've seen guys do it in the wheel well, where it starts with the light of the car, and it's pretty nice. But yeah, let me start it up, show you guys how it looks. Close the door. Yeah, baby, with that red SRT. Oh, I'm digging it. It's definitely dope. Look at that, guys. Lower the camera a little bit. Yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna come outside and show you guys how it looks. Let's see if I can shut this interior light. Yeah, there you go. So all in all, pretty clean. You see it down there on the driver's side wheel well. Over here it looks a little funny, but it's cool with the little underglow there. But as long as it stays put and stays tight, I'm happy with it. 15 bucks, guys. Look at that. Can't go wrong. Alright, YouTube, it's Hellcat J. Back with another mod. Please like and subscribe. Please stay with the channel. You'll be seeing more coming up soon.